Tangena. Oh, come on! Crazy boy! Fuck, man, the scooter is stupid for riding so fast with no helmet. Don't get me wrong, the scooter is stupid. Oh god, man, this is too early in the morning for that. Babala, girlfriend ko lang ang pwede go. You want me to put the same? For my girlfriend, not for you, ah? Only for the girlfriend, not for the wife, diba? Ah? Foreigner in the Philippines, living the dream. He's got a camera, he's probably waiting for... He's got a big camera. He's probably waiting for plane. Take pictures. Maybe not the best area to hang out with a big camera, but why not? What the fuck? Crazy people scare me. What was that about? My god, I hate when they use their own. The truck and the bus, so annoying. Okay, come on, let's fuck. Come back in 10 minutes. Come back in 10 minutes, they're having a go at each other. This is just the start. How are you? I can fix this or no?
This is bad.
The thing you went. Both of them, look, this one also.
This is loose. You have to buy another one.
Yeah. And this one too is gone. Going to the summit?
Yes.
See you there.
See you there.
How are you? Okay now? Thank you. Shit. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. That was a quick one. I don't think they're looking for, or probably looking for people to search or something like that. It didn't bother with my OS here. It's probably they're probably looking for someone or looking for something, you know. at this. Nice car. Take the money on the jeepney. What? I'll drop you in the thing, no? Funny, no?
What's your vlog?
Oh,
What's your vlog?
what's your name?
Nice vlog.
Thank you.
Where are you from? You're Las Piñas, right?
Ah, yeah.
Subscribe to your account.
Ha.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man.
Thanks.
Nice much. Nice only stuff.
Me too. Almost. Nice subdivision, huh? Very quiet. Huh? The subdivision here, very quiet. This one.
Can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my